Hey guys, Scarlet Builder Cross here, and today I want to show you how I paint this ornament. I've gone in first and base coated my ornament in rustic red, and I'm going in now with the number 12 flat and the color cotton, and I'm adding polka dots, and these are going to be kind of like imperfect polka dots, and I think this cutout would be super cute finished off with some vinyl lettering on it, either saying Merry Christmas or your last name. You could also go in with a Sharpie marker or paint and do the lettering if you'd prefer. Once I'm done with my polka dots, I'm going to swap my brush for a number 4 round and some black paint, and I'm just going to lightly outline each of my polka dots. I'm going to go in and paint the top of my ornament in a charcoal color and then outline it as well with my black paint. And then after that, I will be done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.